What's up, athletes? Moonbricks here, and today we're going to be talking about nutrition. So, as you know, what you eat has a huge impact on your overall health, as far as your metabolism goes, as far as, you know, how much fat that you store, all that stuff. We're going to talk about it today. So in this video, I'm going to go over 3 tips that can really help your eating habits to get your body fat percentage right and the way it needs to be. Number 1, don't eat too fast. Take your time. If you scarf down all your food and all that, you don't give your body a chance to really realize what the heck is going on. Your adipose cells end up storing more fat than they're supposed to, and you also still think that you're hungry. Haven't you ever eaten so fast and then just wanted more, and then like 30 minutes later you're sitting there with a stomach ache and then you gotta go to the bathroom and take a Anyways, number 2, cut it on the sugar. Number 3, cut it on the salt. Enough said. Get it from natural stuff. Don't all that artificial mess that you like, cut it out. I mean, really basic, guys. It's common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people actually don't know these things. So, yeah, that's that, and eat right.